Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram quiz sticker in story. So if you want to make your Instagram stories more fun, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Instagram quiz stickers step by step, even if you are never tried it before. So what you need to do is just open Instagram applications on your phone and tap on the plus icon at the top, or just swipe right to open the story camera. And in here you can snap a photo, upload a background, or just use a color screen. So I'm going to just, let's say, snap a photo from here like this, and this will be the base for your quiz. Next, add the quiz sticker. So you can just tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen and then scroll and tap on this one, quiz or questions option. This one, and you can just here add your quiz questions. So you can add some fun or interesting questions in here. For example, I'm going to just write which country invented pizza. Okay, you can just tap on done, or you can also customize the color of the questions box just like this, and you are going to type on done, and in here the viewers or your followers can respond to this question by type something in this box right here, and later you can preview their answer. And once it's ready, you can just tap on your story to post it, this one, and people can now give them their answer, and Instagram will show you the and you can just see which one is right, and you'll also be able to post their response. So for additional tips, you need to keep your quiz fun and short, and you can also use them for polls, games, or teaching facts. And don't forget to combine with emojis, music, or gifs to make it pop. That's it. Now you just made your first Instagram quiz stickers. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more social media tips, and let me know in the comments what's the first quiz you're going to post. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!